There's been a lot going on around here thanks to some early summer weather. As a matter of fact, I've never had a Mustang out this early. Jackie washed the old Silver Bullet for me only after I limped it home from being stuck on the side of the road again. I broke down again. I started out by shuffling things around so I could get in the shop, firing up the SN for the first time this year, then running the mirror over. There goes my YouTube career. Then the S197 and finally Swamp Thing. Both outer door handles are broken on Swamp Thing, so I had to crawl through the hatch and open both doors and the hood. Then I could finally install the battery so I could move this thing. Luckily, the old beast fired right up. Alright guys, I'm back at the Wreckers and I've been looking for my hammer. Luckily for me, it's right where I left it. I moved the T-top outside to move the engine lift around. Then I pushed it back in to remove the engine. We were going to put the car back to stock to sell it, but now that we're keeping it, it will get some E7s with upgraded springs and a TFS 1 cam, only because I don't have another B cam laying around. First I pulled the intake, then the head, and finally the stock camshaft. So in goes the TFS 1. This was about as far as I could go with it because I need to pick up some gas. Then I did some work on the daily while Bella and Cooper supervised. So I had one more car to move and the X300 wouldn't do it, so I broke out the big guns. So after finally clearing a path to the coupe, I was able to get it out and up to the driveway. Alright guys, first drive out on the road and I broke down again. I suspect the same problem as last year. The used distributor I put in is no good. So while I love these stock distributors when you have a good working one, I think they're just getting to be that age. Damn. Alright guys, so I broke the selfie stick, so I'm going to try and hold this and record at the same time. So unfortunately I just timed this engine, and now I'm going to have to loosen the distributor off to get at this module. And the bad thing about this is I don't even know if this module is going to work. It was just out of my box of distributors, so little bit of dielectric grease. Man, I sure hope this thing works. Got something making noise in the trees there. I don't know what that is. Back some. I'm gonna cross the fingers. See if this works. All right, guys. Let's see. Thank goodness. All right, guys. We made it home. But now I got to retime the engine again. So here we go.
Living life every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy.
Then we found a cool new spot to take some pictures.
So I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight. Gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray.
Thanks for watching. See you next time.